BJP MP from Mandi, Kangana Ranaut, has once again stirred Kisan stir cauldron. She suggested that a Bangladesh-like situation could have erupted in India but for the country's strong leadership. She went on to say that bodies were found hanging and rapes were taking place during the farmers' protest against the now repealed 3 farm laws, alleging the involvement of China and the US in what she called a conspiracy. Wary of the fallout and having burned their fingers once before, BJP quickly denounced its Lok Sabha MP for her remarks. In a statement, party expressed disagreement with her views and made it clear that she is neither permitted nor authorized to comment on party's policy matters. BJP has also directed Kangana Ranaut to not make any statement of this kind in future. However, BJP's swift damage control to shield itself from any possible blowback in the poll season has had no impact on opposition. Congress and other opposition parties went after the BJP with LOP in Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi and Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge saying that the remarks have exposed the anti-farmer mindset of the BJP.
अगर ये उनका मत नहीं है, अगर आपकी पार्टी का ये मत नहीं है, तो निकाल बाहर करिए ऐसे सांसद को। अगर ये आपका मत नहीं है, तो इस देश के किसानों के खिलाफ जिसने इस तरह की बात की है, उसको किसी कीमत पर संसद में बैठने का हक नहीं है। हाथ जोड़ के माफी मंगवाइए किसानों से, और अगर ये सब कुछ नहीं कर सकते तो आप खुद माफी मांगिए इस देश के किसानों से।
ये उनका निजी बयान है, निजी मत होता है। भाजपा का ये मत नहीं है। भाजपा सबका साथ, सबका विकास, सबका विश्वास में विश्वास करती है। अपेक्षा करते हैं कि वे आगे से इस प्रकार के बयान नहीं देंगी और पार्टी की जो लाइन है उससे अलग जाकर बयानबाजी नहीं करेंगे।
The Haryana unit of Aam Aadmi Party will be hitting the streets in all districts of the state today to protest against Kangana's remark. Samyukt Kisan Morcha has sought an unconditional apology from the BJP MP and the Prime Minister as well, warning of a public boycott of actor turned politician.
अभी जो ये कंगना रनावत ने बेहद ही दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण और गंदा बयान किसानों के ऊपर दिया है, इसकी जितनी ज्यादा आलोचना करी जाए उतनी ही कम है। कंगना रनावत का विवादों से पुराना नाता रहा है। पहले इन्होंने एक बार यह कहा था कि ये किसान आंदोलन में जो महिलाएं आती हैं वो 100 रुपया लेके आती हैं। अब उन्होंने ये कह दिया कि किसान आंदोलन में रेप हो रहे थे, हत्याएं हो रही थी। तो ये जो विवादास्पद बयान बार बार दे रही हैं, इन बयानों पर भाजपा के शीर्ष नेतृत्व द्वारा रोक लगाए जाने की जरूरत है। हम कंगना रनावत को इस लायक नहीं समझते कि उनके बयान पे कोई जवाब दिया जाए, लेकिन जवाब तो माननीय प्रधानमंत्री और माननीय गृहमंत्री जी को देना चाहिए। अब जब तीसरी बार नरेंद्र मोदी जी प्रधानमंत्री बने तो उन्होंने कहा था कि वो किसान कल्याण को लेकर पूर्ण तौर पे समर्पित हैं। माननीय प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी वैचारिक तौर पे, पॉलिसीज तौर पे हमारा आपकी सरकार के साथ मतभेद हो सकता है।
We have Rishabh joining us in the broadcast with more details. Rishabh, the BJP pulled up Kangana Ranaut and clarified in their statement that this is her individual stand, but the opposition and the farmer community clearly not impressed with it.
Well, definitely. See, Haryana is going to polls, and within a month we'll have elections in Haryana. Having said that, Kangana Ranaut making this statement ahead of Haryana polls has definitely put BJP into soup. BJP was quick to distance itself from what Kangana have said, but the damage has been done. The prospects for BJP has been dented in on many seats in Haryana as well. Given that the farmers are still on road, they are still trying to enter Haryana, and the way there are ground support for farmers in the state of Haryana, such statement coming in from BJP member of parliament is something that would not be good, in the interest of party going into polls. And Congress and Aam Aadmi Party do understand the same, and that's the reason that both the parties are up in ante against BJP. Supriya Sune very categorically attacking the top leadership of BJP, saying that if you do not subscribe to what Kangana Ranaut has said, why not apologize or sack her from the party itself. Remains to be seen how things unfold, but for now Kangana has given ammunition to opposition ahead of elections. And it's not only Haryana, but states like Maharashtra, states like Madhya Pradesh, states like Jharkhand, everywhere we'll see the echo of what Kangana has said and rebuttals coming in from the opposition parties.
Right, Rishabh, thank you for